labda weni Nyerere. Nanfundisha kutulia labda huna kelele.
Good morning, class. Today I'd like to be your teacher. I want to teach you one or two things or encourage you in one way or the other. So today's topic: why should you start channel? Yes, but of course, because you can click on this video, you already know what YouTube is. So let's talk about the advantages of starting a YouTube channel straight on. Okay, number one, YouTube will earn you money. Who doesn't want money? Why are we working so hard? Because you need money. Yes, we need to survive. Money will make you survive. What do you like to do? Maybe going on trips, buying cars, buying houses, doing business. All that requires you to have money. Like shooting a YouTube video, you can't do it without a phone or a camera, right? And in order to have one, what do you need? Money. Yes. So you'd start a YouTube channel because you need money. You need to get paid, maybe by sponsors or AdSense for posting your content. They'll use your platform for advertisements or for passing out information. So money, pesa, pesa muhimu. So you'd want to start a YouTube channel because it pays. Yes. Number two, it will teach you how to communicate. It will boost your interpersonal skills. Like right now, I'm actually talking to my phone, but because I can see myself, I learn how to communicate. Like, I'll understand what is making me feel the vibe of talking, or improve my words, or practice my English or Swahili or Arabic or Spanish, any language that you pass your content with, right? Okay. Number three, it helps you create a community of people that you can freely or directly interact with, like a tribe, like a YouTube tribe, or like a worldwide tribe. On normal occasions, any YouTube channel can be accessed in any country, right? So, me passing my content or explaining to you what I like or explaining to you what I experience every day may actually translate to what you also experience every day, right? So, if you can relate to my content, it equally means that we are same, or we have similar ideology, or we can relate to a lot of things, right? So number four, a YouTube channel can help others. It can serve as a platform to educate, to motivate, or to even personally to learn something new. Every single day you scroll on YouTube trying to learn how to cook a new dish, learn a new language, or a subject or a course, and YouTube provides that platform for you to learn, right? Another thing, YouTube will build your confidence. Imagine talking to your phone each and every single time you want to pass out content. Imagine being shy in normal times, but at the moment you sit in front of your camera, you actually see yourself. You actually hear how you sound and be able to articulate your voice or anything. See, confidence will automatically get boosted. Okay. Genuinely, it can make you famous. That is, if you can reach out to a lot of people and you become like, what can I say, a YouTube celebrity, if at all there is something like that. And if your preferences are to become famous, of course you have to work your ass out to become that. And what am I forgetting? Creativity. Yes, that's number what? Number 6 or 5. Creativity. Every single day you wake up, you're bored, and you just try to figure out something and be able to record a video that other people can be happy listening to, or really willing to learn something about you. The next day or the next time you create a video, you always want to do a better video. That's creativity. Or you can also do content management. If I told there something like that, content building or content creation. Yes, that's the word, content creation. So you can be funny, you can be educative, you can be sarcastic. Some people like sarcasm, like me sometimes, but okay, that's a story for another day. Why again should you start a YouTube channel? If you're willing to share a story, if you're creative, if you're tolerant. Actually, social media bullies are the worst things ever. Imagine being bullied or being trolled by someone who doesn't even know you personally, someone who has never met you, but because of a slight mistake in a video you get trolled, you get hate. So if you can be tolerant enough to not care about what other people will say or how many followers you'll get at the end of the day, as long as you are doing what you like, you can actually start a YouTube channel. Before I had the courage to create a channel, I used to make videos on Snapchat or TikTok and not post them anywhere, not even on those platforms. So I had what I had a desire to do videos, to be creative, to show how happy I can be, how sarcastic I can be, but I never had that courage to even post a video somewhere, maybe on Facebook or Instagram, and delete it after some time. So someone there is out there making videos that they can't post. Start today. What will you lose by failing? Failing will make you stronger. Failing will make you want to do better things, right? So you must not be willing or open to any negativity. Do your thing. You never know. Do your thing. So another thing, you can always, if you can, okay, if you can get a good phone, a good place for lighting, a good room, a good background, okay, do it. But again, if you cannot, try with what you have. Start with what you can afford. For instance, I need a camera, I need lighting, I need voice records, I need someone to help me edit my videos better. But I'm starting anyway. I actually started this channel a year ago, and other things came through, so I had to stop for a while. But here I am again, as I told you in the last video, and we're trying to improve. Sindio? Yeah. So another thing, if you can stand negativity, as I've just said, backlash, trolls, anything, start a YouTube channel. And if you're patient enough, if you're patient in the terms of getting viewers, getting subscribers, having your message passed around, be patient. Just be patient. You never know. There is one day it will come automatically and you'll have the best subscribers, followers, or anything. Okay? So start a YouTube channel if you really want to. Stop letting the fear of rejection, the fear of not being attractive enough, the fear of not being funny enough to let you not start what you like. I know you have videos posted somewhere or sitting in your phone or your camera or your laptop, but you can't post them. Just try it. Just try your YouTube channel if you really want to, if it's your passion. Okay? I don't want to bore you with stories back and forth, and I hope I've helped you enough. And remember, money in YouTube is the big thing. That's why you find people trying to have followers. Because the larger your viewers, the larger the amount, the larger the bag. Sawa. So that's all I want to say today, and I'll be posting videos consistently. Oh, another thing, you have to be consistent in posting your videos. Sawa. So that has been my time. Today I've been your teacher. That has been Teacher JJ on the Melanin Star channel.